Hello everyone, my name is Yuganthan and I am here to discuss about my DSC assignment. I am currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My USN is 1V22CA057. Subject is Theory of Computation. Code is BCS 503. So let's begin. Closure property of context-free language. Introduction to context-free language. Context-free language are class of formal language generated by context-free grammars. They are used to define the syntax of programming language and data formats. Study of these closure properties is essential for understanding their computational capabilities. Definition of closure property. Closure property refers to the ability of language classes to remain within the same class, understand certain properties. For CFL, these property operations include union, concatenation, intersection. Understanding these properties helps in analyzing the limits of CFL in computations. Union of contextual languages. The union of two contextual languages is also contextual language. This is proven by using a new grammar that combines grammar of original languages. For example, L1 and L2 are CFL, then L1 union L2 is also a CFL. Concatenation of contextual language. Concatenation of two contextual languages is also contextual language. This can be achieved by creating a grammar that generates a string from both languages in sequence. Thus, L1 and L2 are CFL. Thus, L1 dot L2 or L1 concatenate with L2 is also a CFL. Clean star of contextual language. Clean star of operation. A context-free language yields another context-free language. This means that CFL is a then CFL. Intersection with regular languages. The intersection of context-free language and regular language is a context-free language. This is because regular language can be represented using finite automata, which can be combined with pushdown automata. Therefore, a language is a CFL, R is a regular language, then L intersection R is also CFL. Content complement of contextual language. Complement of contextual language is not guaranteed to contextual language. This means that L is a CFL, then its complement, the set of all strings is not an L, maybe not a CFL. This property emphasizes the limitation of CFL in computation of theory. Closure under homomorphism. Context-free language are closed under homomorphism. This means that a CFL and a homomorphism, that means L is also a CFL. Homomorphism map symbols from alphabet to another prescribing structure of the language. Closure under inverse homomorphism. Context-free language are also closed under inverse homomorphism. Given a homomorphism H and a context-free language L, inverse of image H minus H power minus 1 L remains CFL. This allows the transformation that still generates context-free structures. Context-free language and substitution. Context-free language are closed under substitution. A L is a CFL. Each symbol in L can be replaced with context-free language. The result is still a CFL. This property allows the creation of more complex language from simpler ones. Pumping lemma for context-free language. Pumping lemma is a fundamental property used to prove that certain language is not context-free. It states that any context-free language there exists a length p such that a string longer than p is pumped. The lemma is an essential tool for understanding limitations of CFL. Application of closure property. Understanding closure property assists in designing compilers and FARs for programming language. They help in verifying correctness of language, structure and transformation. Additionally, closure properties are useful in automata theory and formal language processing. Limitations of contextual language. Contextual language cannot express all the patterns or structures found in natural or programming language. Their limitations become evident when dealing with nested or cross-reference structures. This motivates the exploration of more powerful languages like context-sensitive language. Relationship of other language classes. Contextual language are proper subset of context-sensitive language. They are also distinct from regular language. They are more closure property. Understanding this relation helps in classifying the language based on their complexity. Example of contextual languages. Common example includes arithmetic operation and programming language structure. The language balanced parenthesis class example of CFL. Regular language such those defined by simple patterns are also context-free. Context-free grammar construction. Constructing a context-free grammar involves defining production rules for generating strings. It is crucial for demonstrating closure properties through grammar manipulation. Understanding grammar construction aids in language design and formal verification. Tools for working with CFL. Various theoretical tools such as pushdown automata are used to study CFL. Software tools are also analyze, manipulate contextual language. These tools are essential for practical application in programming languages. Conclusion on closure properties. Closure properties are fundamental to understand these capabilities and limitations of contextual language. They provide critical insights in the computational power of grammars and automata. Through understanding of these properties essential for advanced studies in formal languages. Further reading and understanding. For more information on contextual language, consider textbooks on formal language and automata theory. Research papers and articles can also be provided deeper insights into specific closure properties. Online resources and courses are available for those who are interested in exploring these topics. Thank you.